father. What a wonderful kind of day. What a wonderful kind of day.
Funding for Arthur is provided by
Juicy Juice. We're behind Arthur 100%. Of course, that's how we do everything. Juicy Juice. 100% juice.
Post alphabets, 26 little letters that make the words that let you share your feelings. Around the corner or around the world, bringing us all a little bit closer together. Post Alphabet Cereal is proud to bring you Arthur on PBS.
Chuck E. Cheese's. Proud supporter of PBS Kids. Helping children discover the fun of developing their bodies and their minds. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
and by a grant from the United States Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Ever wonder what's up in the sky or under the water?
This place is amazing!
At Terrytown Airport, you never know what's up or down. Join JJ the Jet Plane, Tracy, Snuffy, and Tuffy, and all the rest of their friends for lots of fun on the land or in the skies.
It's time to put on a great show for all those kids.
Monday through Friday on WETA Kids.
We're wild for PBS.
Take a walk on the wilder side right here on WETA Kids. Da-da-da-da! Yup, there's more good stuff to come on WETA Kids.
Local broadcast of Clifford is made possible in part by WETA members and by White House Apple products.
1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4. 5 apples, 6 apples, 7 apples more. White House applesauce and juice. Natural of us.
Clifford is funded in part by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Kix welcomes you to another healthy serving of good things to grow on. Clifford on PBS, where the fun of learning is kid-tested, mother-approved.
All kinds of wonderful things happen when you play together. That's why we believe in and proudly support PBS Kids TV. Candyland, one of the My First games from Milton Bradley.
Chuck E. Cheese's. Proud supporters of PBS Kids, opening the door to all the fun and joy of learning. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.